Wild hair don't care, right? How is everybody doing? It's fine Saturday, maybe Sunday, depending on where you are in the world. I hope everyone is doing well. Last night I spoke about what's been going on, and we completed some things last night. My son had gotten me a few Lego sets while I was in the hospital. He got me the Speed Champion Ferrari F8, and he also got me the dual set Lambo Speed Champions. Last night I completed the Hurricane, which came out really nice. And we're gonna finish up the Urus? Not sure if I'm saying it right. It's Italian, so whatever. And then we will move on to the ATST Raider. So we're just continuing the conversation, continuing the builds. Just on some chill stuff, you know what I mean? So let's continue with basically the SUV Lambo. It is the Urus. Robot bodies and turn into space pirates, as Toya would say. What?
I got you.
What? So, Marcus just brought me in a new Lego? What the hell? Wow, chat. I have not been able to find a Millennium. He damn sure is the keeper. Wow. I was wondering why he's always saying he's broke. So got a big boy there. Yeah, he is. Him's big. He's great guy. You're raising him right. That was completely unexpected. You know, we raise our kids because they're our kids and don't expect anything in return, and that was that's like the third set he's given me. And I love him to death. I'll give anything for him. Well, here I am looking at gift cards and all these other things to keep it going, because I love building Legos, and we all know how expensive they are, especially the Star Wars one. Like, I might switch it up and start doing Lego City, because the Lego City ones are awesome and they're not expensive. And he just comes in with a falcon. I just realized my mic was turned on. Oops. And nobody said anything. Really? I played that. So, here we go, chat. ATST. Completed. Only missing one piece, which I'll find it somewhere. Pretty cool build. Didn't take too long. And big shout out to my son Wild Drew for dropping this bad boy in my lap, basically. Add this to the build list coming up. Yeah, I will see y'all later. Y'all have a good evening, morning, day, afternoon, whatever, wherever it is, blah, 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 blah. Wherever it is in the world that you are, enjoy your time. Love y'all. Peace.